So today I am featuring the lunch that I prepared for my mother, and what we have here are rice noodles, and they are tossed in a Parmesan butter sauce that I made, and also sauteed spinach. We have a bed of that sitting on top, and then also we have chicken breast tenders that were also made with a garlic butter sauce. It's a different type of sauce that I made versus the one for the noodles. The one for the noodles is more like a light Alfredo sauce, but I will have in the description the recipe for this. So I'm going to be bringing this to her. She's had it before. It's one of the meals that she really enjoys. And so she'll just be tossing this together and enjoying it. So I'll be back with more recipes soon.